This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout, water heater, refrigerator, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, external shower, leveling jacks, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is 12,388 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.